Hi, today I would like to share how to do the Python window programming. Okay, if you would like to do the Python window programming, we recommend you to use the PySci 2. Use this package, PySci 2, because the license is LGPL and you can link to this software package with LGPL license. That means you don't need to pay for the royalty for this PySci 2 software package. And there's another choice to use the PyQt. However, this PyQt, its license is GPL. Is GPL. That means you need to open your source code. You need to open your source code if you are using this PyQt. Otherwise, you will need to pay the royalty to buy the commercial license. Okay, so it depends on you. If you would like to pay for the license, that's fine. That's fine, because this PyQt is also very good. It's also very good, but we recommend you to use the PySci 2. We recommend you to use the PySci 2 because this PySci 2 is with LGPL license and it's made by the Qt. It's made by the Qt company. Okay, as you can see, there are lots of the GUI classes here. It's similar to the Qt version 5. It's similar to Qt version 5. Okay, and the usage is also very easy. It's very easy to use this PySci 2. However, this example cannot be run by Windows or Linux. We need to do some modification for this hello world. Okay, so please open the ORAI Windows folder from our company and double click this jupyterlab.bat, and then you will see the Jupyter Notebook Jupyter Lab user interface. Please go to this subscription folder and please go to the Jupyter PySci 2 folder here. Jupyter PySci 2 folder. Okay, and double click this one, IPYNB. And the same, we use kernel, restart kernel, and run all cells. Restart. Okay, and this is our hello world, the Python Windows programming hello world. Okay, so what's the difference between the original hello world and our hello world? Because you need to add those path settings to your system. Okay, for example, those two lines, import OS and import sys, and then set the Qt QPA platform plugin path here. Then you just can run. This PySci 2 example. Okay, that's very important. Okay, please remember to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines to your source code, to your PySci 2 source code. Okay, and those two lines are important. It's to import PySci 2, and this R8 lib is to optimize the Python. this RA lab is from our company to optimize the Python. Okay, and as you can see, we create Q application here and assign to app, and we create Q push button with hello world label and assign to hello, then resize the hello, and we show this hello, and we execute this app object. Okay, let's run it again. Kernel, restart kernel and run all cells, restart. Okay, so it's very easy. Hello world is here. It's a push button. It's a push button. Okay, and if you are using the Linux platform, it's the same. Please go to this ORAI Linux folder from our company. Double click this. Run in terminal. And then you will see this exactly the same Jupyter Lab user interface. And please go to this subscription folder and go to the same Jupyter PySci2 folder, PySci2.ipynb. Okay, the same. Kernel, restart kernel and run all cells. Restart. Okay, the same hello world here. It's a push button. Okay, there's one more thing. As you can see, the path is here. This path setting is for Linux platform. It's for Linux platform, but this setting is for Windows platform. So the path is different. Okay, let's see again. There's a Qt path here in Linux platform, but there's no Qt path here in Windows platform. Okay, so please be careful about this path setting, because if you are using Windows, you need to use this setting, and if you are using the Linux, you will need to use different setting here. If you like our educational videos, please go to our website openrobot.org to watch more educational videos. If you would like to follow our educational videos, please welcome to register to be our free members, and then you will get this educational video list every week by email. If you would like to buy the software and the service, please go to our market. Please go to our Open Robot market. You can buy AI software here and AI training. If you would like to follow us by using Facebook, it's also very welcome. And there are more than 20,000 followers, more than 28,000 followers for our Facebook page. Okay, so that's my sharing. That's my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.